Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ashish I. Patel, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabhbudi Polytechnic College, Navsari. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic Introduction to Applied Mechanics from the subject Applied Mechanics. First of all, what is mechanics? The branch of science which deal with the forces and their effect on the bodies on which they act is called mechanics. Now, what is applied mechanics? Applied mechanics, also known as engineering mechanics, which is the branch of engineering which deal with the law of mechanics as applied to the solution of engineering problems. Now, branches of applied mechanics. The subject of applied mechanics is broadly divided into following two branches. First one is statics, second one is dynamics. The branch of applied mechanics which deal with the force and their effect while acting upon bodies which are at rest is called statics. And what is dynamics? Dynamics is the branch of applied mechanics which deal with the forces and their effect while acting upon bodies which are in motion. The main difference between statics and dynamics are in statics, the body on which the forces are applied are at rest. In dynamics, the body on which the forces are acting are in motion. Now, physical quantity. What is physical quantity? Any quantity which can be measured is called physical quantity. There are two types of physical quantities. First one is fundamental or basic quantities. Second one is derived quantities. Now, what is fundamental or basic quantity? The mutually independent quantity are called fundamental or basic quantities. Now, what is derived quantity? The quantity which can be expressed in terms of fundamental or basic quantity are called derived quantity. X, for example, velocity is equal to displacement upon time. Now, displacement expressed in terms of length. Therefore, velocity is equal to length divided by time. Here some quantities and their here some fundamental quantities and their unit. Mass in kg, length in meter, time, the unit of time is second, electric current in ampere, absolute temperature in Kelvin, amount of substance in mole, and luminance of intensity in candela. Here quantities and their units. Now, system of unit. There are four systems of unit recognized universally. First one is CGS system, second one is FPS system, third one is MKS system, and last one is SI system. In CGS system, the unit of length, mass and time are centimeter, gram and second respectively. In FPS system, the unit of length, mass and time are foot, pound and second respectively. In MKS system, the unit of length, mass and time are meter, kilogram and second respectively. In SI system, the unit of length, mass and time are meter, kilogram and second respectively. Now, scalar and vector quantity. What is scalar quantities and what is vector quantities? Scalar quantity have only magnitude but no direction. X, for example, mass, length, work, pressure, heat, current, etc. Vector quantity have both magnitude as well as direction. X, for example, velocity, acceleration, momentum, impulse, force, etc. Thank you.